out of the shower and my hair is deep conditioned, and I have my leave-in conditioner in. I'll show you the one. So this right here is the leave-in conditioner that I'm using. It's the As I Am leave-in conditioner. And this is my first time trying this product and I love it. Like, I love it. I've been really searching and I find leave-in conditioners and I'm like, oh, I think I like this, but then this one like knocks the other ones out of the park. I love it so far. So I'm just gonna be using that, and then I'm using my Ouidad Advanced Climate Control Heat and Humidity Gel for hold. So I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right in. I'm gonna turn my camera just a little bit so I can see myself in my mirror here. So I'm gonna be looking ahead just so that I can see the twist that I'm doing, because I don't wanna mess up, I wanna do a good job. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair into 4 parts, and the parts do not have to be anything specific. You can just go ahead and separate it as evenly as you can. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to twist up the bigger sections so that it's out of my way. And then I have my metal clips here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and clip that away. And then I'm going to divide this section into 2. And usually when I divide my hair, like, one of the big things I notice about this leave-in conditioner is the slip. Like, usually when I pull my hair apart like this, it's way harder to get apart. The tangles are ridiculous. But with this leave-in, like, my hair has so much slip and it's just wonderful. So I cannot recommend this leave-in conditioner enough. But I'm gonna go ahead and grab one more metal clip and then section this quarter section into, actually I spoke too soon. Let me just detangle this section really fast. All right, so I'm back, I'm good. So I'm gonna go ahead and section this quarter section into 1/8, and then I'm gonna make 2 braids out of each, or 2 3-strand twists out of each section. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my Climate Control Humidity Gel, and I'm gonna grab about this much of it. Or actually, no, I'm gonna grab a little bit more. I'm gonna grab about this much of it, because the section isn't that big, so I don't need a ridiculous amount. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and split this 1/8 into 2 different sections. And I think I'm gonna start with this section right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and split my hair into 3s. And so my hair is in 3s. So how I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna take the section closest to me, bring it over here, and now I have these sections. I'm gonna regrip and bring the section that's closest to me, bring it over there, and I'm gonna regrip. I'm actually gonna bring my hands up a little bit higher so I can do this a little bit tighter. But again, over, 3, over, over. I thought I lost my hands for a second. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep doing this until I get all the way down to the bottom. And my camera is dying, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this on all of my sections, and then I'm gonna sleep overnight with my hair in the twists, and then I'll be back in the morning to show you all of my finished results. Hey guys, so I'm back and it is the next day and my hair is totally dry. yeah, it's pretty dry. So my camera, I still forgot to charge my camera, so I'm hoping it just doesn't like die on me. But I have my jojoba oil here, and I'm gonna put this into my hands just so that I can have something smooth for when I start to take these twists out. So once I have this all over my hands, I'm just gonna go ahead and start removing my twist from the bottom. And I'm gonna be very gentle with this. And I'm just gonna go ahead and slowly start to untwist these. Maybe I should have started from the back, I don't know. So my camera died on me, but I took all of the twists out and I haven't separated the curl yet, but this is what my hair is looking like fresh out of the twist. And I will say I do have a lot of shrinkage with this look. I usually don't have a lot of shrinkage with my wash and go, and I don't get a lot of shrinkage with the flat twist, but for this one, I don't know. I feel like, I don't know if I made like the flat twist result better than the 3-strand twist personally for myself, but I'm going to go ahead and separate my curls. So I'm going to take a little bit more of my jojoba oil and just get a couple of drops of that in my hands. And then I'm going to go ahead and just start separating these. So I'll just grab it, and then some of these bigger ones like this one right here, I'll just go ahead and just start separating these. And I'm just going to go through every single twist and start separating. Alright, so these are my finished results. This is after separating the curl and making sure that everything is nice and separated. And right now my hair is naturally falling in the middle part, and to try to get that out, I'm going to go ahead and just try to pick right here to try to blur that so that I can part my hair wherever I want. So these are the final results. They are super defined, not a whole lot of volume, but I'm assuming that I'll have more volume tomorrow. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe and hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you next week.